We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this.
This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction.
So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen.